In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate AI-powered assessments directly inside PageTiger. Creating assessments can often be one of the most time-consuming parts of building learning content. And whilst subject matter experts know their content well, writing effective assessment questions requires additional time and expertise. AI assessments helps by generating draft multiple-choice questions based on your document content, allowing you to create knowledge checks quickly and efficiently. But before you start generating questions, it's important to ensure that your document content is complete, accurate, and ready for learners. So, to get started, open your document and navigate to the location where you would like to add an assessment. Now let's switch over to the Interactivity tab and click on Assessments. Then select Assessments and draw the interactive panel over the relevant content panel. Next, click Add and select the AI option to begin generating your questions. You can now choose how many questions you would like to generate. You can create up to 10 questions in a single generation. You can also choose the number of answers available for each question. Next, you need to decide which content should be assessed. You can generate questions from a single page, a page range, or even your entire document, depending on your learning objectives. And if you would like the questions to focus on a particular topic, audience, or even objective, then you can use the extra context field to provide additional guidance. For example, you might ask the AI to focus on safety procedures, customer service standards, or leadership responsibilities. You can also choose the tone of the questions to align with the style and purpose of your content. And finally, you can choose the difficulty level. This helps tailor assessments to different audiences and levels of experience. Once your settings are complete, click Generate. PageTiger will now analyze your chosen content and create a draft set of multiple-choice questions and answers based on your requirements. Within moments, you will have a complete set of draft questions and suggested answers ready for review. However, you are not limited to generating questions just once. You can generate additional sets of questions within the same assessment, making it easy to build more comprehensive knowledge checks without having to start again. Whilst AI assessments can save significant time, it's important to review every question and answer before publishing. You can edit questions, answer choices, and correct responses as required. You may also decide to remove or replace questions or answers that don't quite align with your intended outcomes. Before publishing, you should preview the assessment from the learner's perspective. Check that questions display correctly, answer options are clear, and the assessment experience works as expected. This is also a good opportunity to confirm that the difficulty level feels appropriate for your intended audience. Once you're satisfied with your assessment, you are ready to publish your document. After publishing, learners will be able to complete the assessment as part of their reading experience. AI assessments uses the content within your document to generate questions, so the quality of the output depends on the quality of the information available. The clearer and more comprehensive your content is, the more relevant and useful the generated questions are likely to be. Assessment data contributes to your reporting and analytics, helping you understand how learners are engaging with your content. You can review completion data and assessment performance to help you identify trends, knowledge gaps, and opportunities for further learning. With AI assessments, you can quickly turn document content into meaningful knowledge checks that encourage engagement, reinforce understanding, and help create more effective learning experiences.